Hi there. So on this video, I will share how you can create a conditional form. So how it will work. So something like this. So at first you have to pick the age. So I'm going to pick this one. So it will give you on the next step, if you pick, it will ask for some questions. So in the end, it might be ask some more question or personal information based on your previous choice. So you can do this. So we are going to make a small form. So if you pick this, it will ask for something like this. But if you pick other option, it will not work. So how you can make it? That's the question. So to add a conditional form, you have to go back to the forms. I have already created a condition form, but let's start from a blank form. So let's create a form. So at first, I would like to ask a question like this one. So this will be a yes or no. So there will be a radio field. Here is our level, and we are going to edit our choice. So it will be yes or no. So that's our first option, and when someone will pick this, it will open more option. So like this. So let's create another radio field. Sorry. And here we will add level, and on the choice we will add those mention fields. So I'm going to just add no, modifier, or question, something like this. So those. So right now, this field will only available when someone will pick, suppose yes, or let's see, or no. Okay, let's trigger with the no. So it will be open. So how you can do this? You have to add a condition logic. So from the settings, enable condition logic. It will show if all following match. Yeah, okay, or any following match. So you will trigger this with the first one. If is no, then it will open this options. Set the field. Or if you click to yes, here is asking some information. So we would like to also trigger this for the yes. So we can, here is asking for multiple questions like, okay, let's go to do this. It will be a little bit complex. So we are going with the just minimum one. It will be a HTML block. We will add a HTML block for on the content. So the content will be like just leave the level empty, and for the content we are going to add like h2, or you can, oh sorry, you can just add here on, then add a pair, so it will be display or not be hidden like this. And then we will add first name, last name, and email address. So first name, okay, the field, we will hide the field, so it's not necessary. And so we are going to add our brief placeholder. So we can hide the level, and sublevel we can also hide the sublevel. So it will be like this as it is now. So we can now add the email. Okay, so field level will be hidden, placeholder will be email address or whatever you prefer. And now phone. So everything else is good, but when we will display this information, we will only display when the yes option is selected. So for all the forms, we have to trigger something like this. So condition logic and enable condition logic. So if not any, it will be all or any. Just we are going to set the trigger for okay. We have to any because when someone will enable the question option, we'll also would like to get those information, and when they will select yes, we would like to get those information too. So that means when you select yes, you have to insert those information, but when you select no and select questions, you have to display the same information, but here is additional information. It's just optional. So this time we would like to trigger this field when someone select questions or yes. Okay, so how we can do this? So from here we would like to set the condition to any. So when someone pick the yes from this option, or if someone select questions from the next to here. So if the any of condition is true, then we would like to display this, and it will be same for the name field, condition logic, and display to any. Okay, it will be yes. Or if someone select the second option and choose two questions, and same thing will be the email. So we are going to do this, or second option is to be questions, and same for the telephone. So here we have set up. Let's click to save the form and add this form on a page so we can preview. It is going now. So we're going to publish to view the page. So by default, it will be display like this. If we select yes, those information will be displayed. But if we select no, first the second question will come, and when you select question, it will be appear like this. So if you can see this HTML form is not visible. Let's see why. Okay, the general can leave the form title and add this here. Let's check. So yes, the form information is displayed. So you can now change it to H3 or H4, whatever you prefer. It's totally up to you and fully customizable. So here you see, if you select yes, it's a little bit lower. Now, if you would like to add more information, so suppose when someone pick no, and suppose someone have questions, you would like to add a more field. Like if you prefer to add like another message field, you can do this. Or have another option, you can also add multiple field based on the previous from selection. So that's how you can build a complex from based on the conditional logic, and the from will be display how you are set up the conditional logic. So each and every field could be depends on the previous selections of the field. So it will be display as you set up. So I hope that helps. Let me know how that goes. Thanks for watching the video.